Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Woodworking Squares is probably one of the most important tools for any woodworker, ensuring accuracy in every cut and joint. From simple projects to intricate furniture, having the right square dramatically impacts the quality of your work, saving you time, materials, and frustration. This video will dive into the world of woodworking squares, exploring different types, their unique features, and helping you choose the perfect square to elevate your woodworking game. Number 5. SWANSON S0101 Speed Square. It has gradations for marking common, hip, valley, and jack rafters. You can easily determine and mark angles and make square cuts. This handy tool combines 5 tools in one: a tri-square, miter square, saw guide, line scriber, and protractor. It's a must-have for any tradesperson. It comes with the SWANSON Blue Book, a comprehensive guide to help you make correct angle cuts for any pitched roof. No more complicated math. The 1/4-inch spaced scribing notches and diamond cutout make it easy to scribe rafter seat cuts and common stud widths. The black gradations on the matte finish are easy to read. Made in the USA since 1925, it's a reliable tool trusted by carpenters, construction professionals, roofers, and DIYers. It's perfect for ensuring things are square, and easily marking 90 and 45-degree angles. It's the ideal tool for any project. Use it as a saw guide to easily true up any board. It makes this task quick and precise. What we like. It has gradations for various angles and includes a handy guide for roof cuts. If you need a versatile tool that simplifies complex tasks and provides helpful resources, this is the one for you. Its compact size makes it perfect for any job site or workshop. What people say. Strong and thick metal speed square. Works well. My father and grandfather both had this speed square. Any wood projects they did back in the day, it was with them. So now that I own my own house, it's finally my turn to buy one. If you plan on doing projects yourself, or you're a seasoned contractor, this is a must-have. You can use a speed square to find roof pitches, guide your circular saw and more, including marking any angle from 0 to 90 degrees. Very easy to use once you get an understanding of measurements, and it even still comes with that small blue instruction book. The only difference now is they make it with the numbers easier to see than the old ones. Great classic tool. The speed square is very versatile and well manufactured. Not being a carpenter, I had to Google how to use the speed square, but when I started using it, I picked up on it quick. One of the greatest tools ever made, and for a fair price. Number 4. IRWIN 12 Combination Square. This versatile tool is perfect for any project. Its durable construction and precise markings make it a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It features a durable cast zinc body, ensuring it can withstand daily use. You can count on it for years to come. The black, precision-etched scales are easy to read and incredibly accurate. This ensures your measurements are always spot on. It boasts a rust-proof stainless steel blade. This means it's built to last and will resist corrosion. This square is perfect for marking 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles. It simplifies your workflow and improves accuracy. It's not just for marking angles, it also functions as a gauge for transferring measurements. It's a truly multifunctional tool. What we like. This square boasts incredibly precise markings and a robust build. If you prioritize accuracy and durability in your tools, and need a simple, reliable square for marking, this is a great option. Its stainless steel construction ensures longevity, making it perfect for professional use. What people say. The ruler adjustment mechanism locks tight with ease. The body is hefty and accurate, and functions perfectly as a small level. The integrated scribe is pretty standard, but I wind up using it more than I expected. Nice heavy build quality along with touches like a brass lock nut, brass knob scribe that is firmly held in the casting by a friction sleeve, and even a brass level plug really add to the build quality and heavy-duty feel of the casting, which is itself nicely done and doesn't look cheap. The fit and finish is excellent. It has deeply engraved gradations allowing for a marking knife to not slip. The compact size is great when needing to ensure plumb level and for building small projects. Number 3. SWANSON SW1201K Speed Square Value Pack. It features markings for common, hip, valley, and jack rafters. This helps you accurately determine and mark angles, ensuring precise square cuts every time. This value pack includes both our 7-inch and 12-inch speed squares, plus a handy blue book. You get 2 best-selling tools in one convenient package. Made from heavy-gauge billet aluminum alloy, it's incredibly durable. The die-cast design provides superior accuracy compared to other squares. Using it as a saw guide makes truing up boards a breeze. Achieve perfectly square cuts with ease and efficiency. A trusted tool since 1925, it's essential for carpenters, construction pros, roofers, and DIYers alike. It's a reliable, high-quality American-made product. Whether you need to ensure something is perfectly square or quickly mark 90 and 45-degree angles, it's the ideal tool. It simplifies many important tasks. What we like. Get 2 high-quality squares in one package, plus a helpful guide. If you need both a 7-inch and a 12-inch square and value a comprehensive resource, this is the best choice. The aluminum construction ensures durability for heavy-duty use. What people say. The quality is superb, not some cheap crap. They give you a nice instruction manual so the next time I do something with wood I'm going to figure out how to use. Very well made and accurate. Made in USA combo pack is a good buy. Solid aluminum, nice black engraved markings. It looked like something out of a carpenter's shop in the 50s. The gradations marks are pretty thick, so this isn't the most precise tool if you're looking to measure down to the 16th or 32nd. This is perhaps the most basic tool around and one of the most useful. Even using it as a plain straight edge is great. It comes with a handy guidebook full of usage options, common measurements, and instructions how to use the tool like a pro. Number 2. Mr. Penn 12 Combination Square. This versatile tool is perfect for any project requiring precision. It's ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and construction. It features a durable level for precise alignment and a scribe for marking measurements. This ensures accuracy in all your work. The ruler is made from high-quality stainless steel with etched markings for lasting clarity and resistance to corrosion. It's built to withstand heavy use. The square head adjusts smoothly along the ruler and locks securely with a sturdy brass bolt. Easily switch between measuring angles and straight lines. It provides clear and precise graduations in both inches and metric units. It's suitable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its multiple functions and durable design, it's an invaluable tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast. Add it to your toolkit today. What we like. This square is a multi-tool with a level and scribe. If you need a versatile tool for various tasks and precise measurements, this is a great option. Its adjustable head allows for easy transitions between measuring angles and straight lines. What people say. Mr. Penn Combination Square has one side dedicated to just inches, 12. And the other side has inches and cm for those who want to use the metric system. Accuracy is as good as my tape measure. Measures the same, straight edge. It functions as both of those. It'll give you a 90 degrees angle, 45 degrees angle, and I'm sure it can give you other angles as well. This is a very light tool. It can be used as a speed square. The quality is middle of the road, but for a tool that is used only sometimes it is fine. The assignments seem to be accurate. Number 1. Milescraft MC-Square150. This framing square is a must-have for any woodworking project. Its durable aluminum construction and precise markings ensure accuracy. It features both inside and outside scales, making it easy to measure and mark both the interior and exterior of your workpiece. No more guesswork. With its generous 6x4 size and 1/4-notch spacing, it's perfect for a wide range of tasks. You'll find it incredibly versatile. It includes 2 quick angle finders for 30 degrees and 45 degrees angles, saving you time and effort. These are essential for common woodworking angles. The elongated notches allow for accurate line scribing, ensuring clean, precise cuts every time. It's designed for professional results. Made from 3 mm thick anodized aluminum, it's built to withstand daily use and provide long-lasting performance. It's a tool you can rely on. The removable fence adds even more versatility, making it suitable for a wider variety of projects. It's a truly adaptable tool. What we like. It features both inside and outside scales for versatile measuring. If you need a square with additional features for precise marking and efficient workflow, this is a great choice. The removable fence adds to its functionality, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking tasks. What people say. Accurate, and I tested that statement. I used multiple known square items as well as the flip-flop line draw method. The markings are not painted on, they are etched in and then filled with an opposite color for visibility, and so they won't wear off. Very easy to read. Good aluminum grade square. Easy to read. Holes for scribbling. Love the red, easy to see amongst wood and tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.